Mohs micrographic surgery is a specialized and highly effective procedure for removing the tumor while minimizing the scarring. Basal and squamous cell cancers can be surprisingly deceptive, looking as harmless as a small reddish spot, a slight textural change in the skin, or perhaps looking like an insect bite that just doesn't seem to heal. All, however, are signs that something isn't right and need to be seen by a dermatologist. Megan Forsha is a pharmaceutical representative whose basal cell carcinoma was discovered by dermatologist Daniel Tahari during a sales call. The cancer was extensive and she was worried about scarring on her forehead. Dr. Tahari used the Mohs technique.
The first surgery, he removed my basal cell carcinoma, and all the cancer cells, it was not all removed. So he had to go back and do it another time.
Mohs surgery is time-consuming. It's 3 stages in one day. First, the surgery, then reading the pathology slides to ensure the tumor is completely removed, and then doing the cosmetic reconstruction. Dr. Tahari explains where Mohs surgery is most appropriate.
Tumors that are in the cosmetic sensitive areas, if I may say, that is a T-zone area of the face, the nose, the eyebrows, the central areas of the face, because these areas are much more cosmetically sensitive.
For Megan, the result is nothing short of outstanding. She has only the very finest scar above her eyebrow, only 4 weeks after surgery.
The Mohs surgery allows upwards of 98-99% cure rate while allowing for the best cosmetic outcome.
Dr. Tahari reminds us protecting our skin with daily sunscreen is always the best first line of defense against skin cancer. For more information on the Mohs procedure, go to ktla.com and click on News.